In this video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on iPhone. So let's get started. So on your iPhone, just long press on the app icon that you want to uninstall. Let's say I want to uninstall Meta AI. So I will long press on the app icon and then from the options, tap on remove app. Now you will get another menu. The first option is remove from home screen. If you tap on remove from home screen option, the icon will be removed from the home screen, but the app will be still available on your iPhone and you can access it anytime. But if you want to uninstall app completely along with data, then tap on delete app. You will get a confirmation message whether you want to uninstall the app. Just tap on delete and the app will be completely uninstalled from your iPhone. Now let's say if your app is not available on home screen, then swipe on the left, access app library, and from here you can access any app that you want to uninstall. Just long press on the app icon that you want to uninstall, tap on delete app. You will get a confirmation box whether you want to uninstall the app. Simply tap on delete and the app will be uninstalled from your iPhone. So that is how you can uninstall apps on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.